The following segment is paid for by Holston Medical Group. A woman's healthcare needs change over time, and that's why an annual Well Woman exam is so important. In tonight's HMG Health Matters, we sit down with an OBGYN to talk about what happens during these exams and why they're so important.
I think a Well Woman exam is a very important time to talk about a woman's symptoms that perhaps she may not think are important enough to come in to make a problem visit, but yet to us they may be more important than she thinks they are.
Dr. Dennis Samuel has been providing care for women in our region for more than 25 years. He says annual Well Women exams are important for several reasons, including a breast and pelvic exam, as well as discussions about reproductive health, birth control, and other conditions that affect women. Over the past couple of years, Dr. Samuel says he has noticed an alarming trend.
Majority of women, I would say, at least in my experience, equate a pap smear to their annual exam, and when they're told that they don't need a pap smear but every 3 years or 5 years, specifically if they're not having any problems, they may not see their gynecologist for 3 or 5 years.
It all changed when the recommendations for pap smears changed, allowing more time in between these screenings. But Dr. Samuel says a pap smear is just part of the annual exam.
The pap smear simply and primarily is a screening test for cervical cancer. A lot of my patients are under the impression that it is a screen for everything, ovarian problems, uterine problems, and it's not.
He urges women to continue to make those annual appointments with their gynecologist.
I see a definite change in people. You know, I haven't seen you for 2 or 3 years, and then what? You know, I thought I didn't need to come in. And there is actually some studies that I've seen that have shown an increase in certain problems that have started to occur since the new pap smear guidelines came out.
To find out more about these exams or to find an OBGYN, you can visit the Health Matters blog at holstonmedicalgroup.com.